So hi everybody, I am going back to the farm. I am going back to the farm, and these are the neighbor's house. That one, I don't know why they don't fix it, but it's so mess, I think. Yes. So this is the surrounding here. We have these trees in their backyard. It's actually a fruit trees. Look at that. Also a coconut tree. So now let's go back to the farm. I am with my sister again, and I have this umbrella. Oops, because it's hot. You know, the weather here is on and off. Sometimes it's too hot, and then after a few minutes it will rain. You see that? Those are my niece and my sister. So we're going back to the farm now. That area, that house is a poultry. Yes, it's a chicken poultry. That's why lots of langaw here. I mean, what do you call that in English? Langaw. I think it's fireflies. I don't know. But yes. So that's a poultry. That house. And this is the surrounding again. Oh my god, they're leaving me to run. So this is the area again where I bought my land over there beside that house. Yes, I already have neighbor. That's the reason why I am doing vlogging, because one day I manifest that all these hard works that I have been doing here on my channel will be, you know, harvest soon. So this is it. This is where I bought my land. This is a tomato tree, and that's my area there. It's the land that I bought. It's 100 square meters. It's close to the road here. So that's why if ever I build my future house soon, I will build also a tiny store. So this is it again. This is the area again that I am crossing like yesterday, because we went there at the farm. So my brother's house is there. He's living there. So this is the road here. As you can see, there is a bicycle. Ta-da! This lot is so nice. It's close here in the road. And look at that, lots of banana tree. So yummy. Bananas. So the weather is not really good today, you know. So that's what you can see here in my province. I am living here in the province of Leyte, which is the beautiful province of mine. So there is a store here. So nice. That a pretty house. This is actually the land that I was planning to buy before, because it's so cheap. It's 60,000, but that time I don't have money. Yes, so somebody bought the land, and look at that, they already bought a beautiful house here. So pretty. This one as well. Look, it's close here on the road, and there is a dog, street dog. I like in this area because you can have a time for yourself, because it's not that hot, because there is a tree that you can stay. So we choose to stay, go here on this way, because there it's a lot of weeds. So we decided to go in this way. So pretty here. I love it. Oh, it's hot now. The sun showed up again. Look. So this is it. So pretty. There is a motor. So this is the garden. It's hot. When I was a child, this house is my dream house before. Yes, this house is so pretty for me before. When I was maybe 6, because every time we cross here, I saw this pretty house. It's a white house actually, but now it's not that pretty. But still a huge house, look at that. So nice inside. But when I was a child, this house is so pretty. There's no like that when I was young. But now they put that cover in their house. It's hot. But yeah, when I was a child, that's really, really my dream house. Oh, their gate is open. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so pretty. So pretty house, right? And also this one. So that's why I'm doing vlogging, that one day I can also build my dream house on the land that I bought. Look at the sky. I don't know how to tell. Every afternoon it will rain, I'll show you this before. Yesterday, this area here. Ta-da! So hot. I'm tired. I just took a shower, but I'm still feeling hot. It's so nice here. Woo-hoo. I feel like I'm crazy. But yeah, I'm a vlogger. I need to do this. I need to do this crazy thing. So that one day I'll be able to earn here. Sometimes I lost hope by doing this vlog. Anyway, did I tell you this yesterday? This eggplant. Look at that. Lots of eggplants here. We planted eggplants here, and also that sweet potato. So let's go to the farm again. I'm wearing my boots because it's a bit muddy since the weather here is on and off. Like, it's sunny and then after a few minutes it will be raining. So yan. I'm tired already. I'm sweating. So these are the bamboos again that you will see here going to our farm. Actually, we're just taking care of that farm. We're not really the owner, but we're the one who planted the rice, and then we're going to give a sack of rice on the owner of that land. So sometimes it's unfair because you're the one who do effort a lot, and then they just get the rice without working on it. And you know how really hard to work in the farm. My goodness, it's so tiring, especially when this kind of weather. I grew up doing farming and it was really hard That's why I decided to go in the town and find a job as, yeah, I found a job as a helper. I worked like 7 years old. I was working as a helper, and growing up working like that is you realize that life wasn't easy, you know. Life is, you need to go work harder in order for you to have a food on your table. Maybe that's the reason why I have not my own family yet, because of those experiences that I have been through when I was young, you know. So that's why. I'm so tired. So the bamboo, I don't know why they kill the bamboos there. There is a house, 2 houses in this area, but usually this area is so quiet, you know. In this area where I am scared to cross when I am going here by myself, because it's really forested area like this. Oh, look at that. But I have my machete, so no one will really can scare of me, because I bring my own machete, and before they hurt me, I will hurt them first. So it's a bit muddy here, look, and another bamboos area here. Whew, I'm so tired. You see that? That's a bamboo here. It's a morning here, almost afternoon. Look at that bamboos. You know what, these bamboos, you can use it as your floor. When I was a child, yes, when I was a child, that's our floor. You know, that's where we sleep, on the on the floor. These bamboos, because that's what we have growing up, a house with lots of bamboos cover, you know, even the floor. That's why I'm not really you know, social like that, because I grew up with nothing. So these experiences really teach me a lot to do more hard works in life in order for me to achieve my dreams, of course. Because if you don't have dreams, and if you are a lazy person, you cannot achieve all those things that you are dreaming of if you don't working on it. So what I did, I work, and also this vlogging. But sometimes I get lose hope doing videos, because it's hard to do editing, and of course I don't have lots of viewers here in my YouTube channel. But I keep pushing myself. I keep telling myself that you should do it. Don't lose hope, because everything will be fall into place one day, right? Look at this house, it's so cute, pretty, beautiful house, lots of ducks. So nice here. His front yard is so clean. Nice, right? That's the reason also why I love living in the province, because yeah, it's everything gets easily, you can have it. You will not be hungry if you're living in a province, you know, because everything is in your backyard. If you're not lazy to plant those veggies and all, bananas. Whew, I'm tired. So this is my look. Oh my god, I'm sweating. My goodness. Look at that sweat. I feel like I did the jogging exercise. It's really a long walk to get here in the farm. And this weather. Whew. I did do my exercise this morning, but this one is really nice workout walking. I probably did this every day. And then my belly will be gone, so I can wear bikini this coming summer. My goodness. Whew. It's so nice and sweating. Look, lots of greeny surrounding here. And there is a house here. And a friend of mine here. Say hi to the vlog. She's taking a shower. Ang init. Ang init sa Pinas. So we're almost there at the house of my parents here in the farm. Whew. It's so windy a little. Thank God. So nice here. So we're here again at the farm. Oh, they're almost done with here in this area. It's almost done. Harvesting this rice. Sorry for the coughing because I have cough. Yeah, I was sick for a few days, but I am feeling better, a lot better now, because I made my ginger tea. So this is our bamboo bridge, footbridge. Oh my God, careful. So this area where we take our shower before when we were kids, this sapa. I don't know what to call it in English, but it's so nice. Look at the water, so clean. It's so clear. So I am gonna try to harvest this later, and I'm gonna let my nephew to have a video of doing it. Oh my God, closing again here. It's windy. Oh my God, it's so nice here. It's windy. So that's the house of my parents. They live here with my stepfather. Yes. So this is their footbridge that they make, because there is one student here, my cousin, and my aunt also live here beside the house of my mom, the one that has a hollow blocks house. That's my aunt's house. And I'm closing here in this bridge, and it's windy, and my umbrella is like the wind will be flying it together with me. Look at that, it's windy. Yee! Yahoo! Oops, finally we arrived here. Ta-da! It's windy. Ooh, ayan, sarap ng hangin. So we're here at the house. We have also here. Kanino? Uy mo food. Kadin na yan. Eh, papa, magiinom ng Himarlon. Papa? Kaya rin. So that's my dad harvesting the rice. I am gonna try to harvest also, but I don't know how to get in there. Maybe I'm gonna jump over here just to get in there. So that's how we harvest the rice here in the province. I know how to harvest that. I'll show you later when I jump over there. So this is our water, where we get our water for our rice field.
Napalikid bata.
This is how we harvest.
Lumabas ka na dito sa Manila.
Low. Kau ni Eddie Garcia.
Oh, may paingin. Sa lalaro, miss. Luwat.
Eh, mulot dito ha.
Yan ka.
So nice. Look at the water. It's so vast here. So now we're going to harvest this rice. So this rice Apa? Not look good this rice. You don't know what happened, but it's apa. The rice is not look good. Not good to harvest. I don't know if it's gonna fit in here. Alaro pa. Alaro here. It's complete. Kuri itu beli. Kuri itu beli. Kuri itu beli. So please subscribe na kayo para marami akong pera. Ang bili ng bigat. Kasi ang hirap ng trabaho. Abi. Bro, hindi na mo. Bili ko mo. So now my nephew is doing harvesting, and it started to rain now. My goodness, my feet is now with lots of muddy. See, my nephew is expert on doing this farming. Why you didn't go to school? Because of this. The rice is higher than him. So, uno yung sa taas pa, imod ko ano may. Ako rin pinagkait tayo ng mga ano, height. So that's my nephew. He know how to harvest the rice. And it's raining now, so I need to go back home because my phone will be wet. Woo! And this is what my feet look like because I do the harvest. And I am going to jump over there to go back at the house. In 3, 2, oops! Ta-da! I did it. I jumped. Oh my god, I hope it will not rain because it will be damage this rice. Look. I don't know why it's raining because the sky it seems so clear. But it's raining, yeah, it's raining. So that's the house of my parents. Oh my god, it's raining, let's go. So that's my aunt here. I hope it will not rain because our rice will be wet. But anyway, that's all for today. This will be the end of my videos because I'm so tired. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on my next videos. Thank you everybody and stay safe. Thank you all for the support. Thank you all for watching my videos and have a great day everybody. Bye.